Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Nothing Phone 3A Pro leaked images, sketches and camera details. The leaks, rumors, and speculation surrounding the highly anticipated Nothing Phone 3A series. Specifically, we're talking about the supposed Pro model, and some tantalizing details that have surfaced online. Now, as always, take everything with a grain of salt. These are leaks, and things can change. But what we're seeing is definitely generating a lot of buzz. Let's break it down. First up, the live images. We've seen a few blurry, low-resolution shots popping up on various social media platforms. Now, while they're not crystal clear, they do give us a general idea of the design language. What we're noticing is a continuation of Nothing's signature transparent design, but with some subtle refinements. It seems like the glyph interface is still present, but potentially with a more streamlined layout. The overall form factor looks slightly more rounded compared to the Phone 2A, and of course, the Pro designation suggests a more premium build quality. Now, moving on to the sketches. These are particularly interesting, as they often provide a closer look at the design process. We've seen a few sketches that seem to corroborate what we're seeing in the live images, with a focus on refining the glyph interface and the overall ergonomics. One sketch, in particular, shows a potential redesign of the camera bump, suggesting Nothing is focusing on improving the camera experience, which brings us to the camera modules. This is where things get really interesting. We're seeing what appear to be larger sensors than on previous Nothing phones. This could indicate a significant upgrade in image quality, especially in low light conditions. Rumors suggest we could be seeing a main sensor in the 50MP range, possibly with optical image stabilization. There's also talk of an upgraded ultra-wide lens and potentially a dedicated telephoto lens for the Pro model. Putting it all together, what we're potentially looking at is a powerful mid-range device with a premium design and a focus on camera performance. The Nothing Phone 3A series, especially the Pro model, seems poised to offer a compelling alternative in a crowded market. Of course, we're still waiting for official confirmation from Nothing, but based on what we're seeing, the Phone 3A series is definitely shaping up to be something special. So, what do you guys think? Are you excited about the potential Nothing Phone 3A? That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.